Ano naman yan? Sino ba mundo? Pero ako dyan.
Hindi, kahit pa paano, nakaka-relevant yan.
Pero ako pa rin yan. My goodness.
Hey guys, so I'm with my fam there. We survived 2026, guys. Look. Wala na. Guys, it was amazing.
Kmart.
Yeah, ice cream.
Timon?
Ice cream.
Yes, you're my God.
Guys, ice cream.
Hey.
Daddy, ice cream. Oh, you.
Tita.
First guest.
What are you living in 2025?
I don't know yet.
Sadness.
For sadness.
Uncle D, what are
I'm
you
living
living in
the jet way.
2025? Ah, Tisha, what are you living in 2025?
Ay?
Playing Roblox too much.
Daddy. Daddy, what are you living in 2025?
Living?
Anong iiwan mo sa 2025?
I'm gonna live nothing. It's full of lesson. Diba? Oh, tutok na tutok sa aking camera.
Di ba?
I'm gonna leave yung pagsisigaw ko.
Oh yeah.
Sa inyo lang.
That's good.
Yay. Happy for that. I'm gonna leave cramming.
Cramming? Oh yeah!
Cramming.
Anong cramming?
Yung parang
Last minute mo ginagawa yung assignments.
Oh, lahat. Like,